In this video, we'll demonstrate how to fulfill orders on Shopify. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about Shopify order fulfillment and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. Let's delve into the tutorial steps. Step 1. Ensure your store setup. Make sure your e-commerce store is launched and your products are added. Set up your payment gateways and remove any password protection. Step 2. Accessing orders. Navigate to your Shopify dashboard and locate the Orders section. Step 3. Review orders. Open the order you want to fulfill. Here, you can see the details of the items and quantities. Step 4. Fulfillment options. Depending on your order fulfillment process, you might dropship or handle warehousing and fulfillment yourself. Dropshipping: forward orders to your supplier. For automated systems like Deezer's or CJ Dropshipping, this process is automatic. Self-fulfillment. If you're managing inventory and fulfillment, select items ready for delivery and proceed to fulfill. Step 5. Split fulfillment, if required. Enter tracking information, carrier details, and send shipment notifications to customers. For orders with various delivery timelines or customized items, consider splitting fulfillment. Notify customers about multiple deliveries. Step 6. Confirm and process orders. Handle payment terms and proceed with the fulfillment. Mark orders as paid. Step 7. Post-fulfillment management. Manage closed orders, handle returns or exchanges, and maintain records for effective business management. Shopify streamlines order fulfillment, making it efficient and manageable for your business. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. For more helpful tutorials and content, visit MediaMagnetGuide.com. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for future tutorials and updates. Thank you for watching.